Greetings from Texas. Here we are on assignment 5. This is my version of the Raspberry Pi 5 with the Sunfounder AI board on it. You can see I've got the camera mounted off to the side with some extra standoffs holding up the front of it. And I wanted to show you how I wired it. Now I wired it with power buses on the two different rails of the breadboard. So we have everything being powered, both the ground and the 5-volt or the 3 volts coming across over onto the strips on the breadboard. You can see the LED there, and I've got the purple wire connected to it, and we're going to see if we can get it to light up without the use of the Raspberry Pi. We'll just do it hooking it up to the power. So I'm going to try it in both the plus rail and the ground rail, and we'll see which way the LED lights. I'm sorry I got my fingers in the way, but I'm going to put it into the plus 3 and the ground, and it doesn't come on. Put it back in the plus 3 and it comes on. Let's do the same test with the wires hooked up to the RGB LED. I've got the yellow wire, green wire, and blue wire, and I've connected my little patch cable into the yellow wire. I'm going to put it on the ground and onto plus, and we see that we have the LED come on. I'm going to put it into the green wire now, and we'll see. We'll just prove that it comes on with plus, and nothing happens with ground. We're going to move it back over, move it on over to the blue wire, and test to see that the blue part of the LED comes on. Let's move over to the variable resistor. I have the orange wire from the middle terminal of the potentiometer hooked up to the voltmeter so that we can see what the voltages are as we move it around. Right now it's on the ground side. We're going to move the potentiometer, rotate it through, and take it all the way max to the other way, and still waiting. Oh my, we went clear up past 3.5 volts. You know what? The PWM power has the battery voltage on it. So, oh boy, we're going to swap those those power lines that I've got connected. We'll move those over to the ADC connectors, and there they'll be just 3 volts instead. So very interesting. The board gives 5 volts to the PWM devices, and it gives 3 volts, 3.3 volts for the analog ADC, for the analog to digital converter. Let me give you one more tour around the way this board is wired. You can see I've got the buses wired to positive 3 volts this time on the ADC and the ground. And let's start with the purple wire. The purple wire is the one that should go, I'm sorry, the orange wire goes up and over to the potentiometer, the middle leg of the potentiometer, with ground on the right and positive on the left. And here's the purple wire going down to the LED. The LED is configured so that the long leg is on the right side, and we come back up and we go back over and pick up the RGB LED wires, the yellow, green, and blue, and you can see that they're connected to the to the PWM pins, there to the right end of that socket, and come down, connect to the resistors, and the resistors bring the potential on over to the LED.